10 reasons why you should never visit the Amazon. Many environmental lovers and wildlife enthusiasts throughout the world dream of visiting the Amazon jungle. However, visiting the world's largest tropical rainforest is not without risk, as the forest is home to some of the deadliest species known to man, and possibly deadlier ones yet to be discovered. The Amazon is home to the majestic jaguar, the fearsome green anaconda, highly deadly poison dart frogs, shocking electric eels, flesh-eating piranhas, and other creatures. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about 10 reasons why you should never visit Amazon. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 10. Amazonian Giant Centipede. The Peruvian huge yellow-legged centipede, also known as the Amazonian giant centipede, is one of the world's largest centipede species. The monster is roughly 30 centimeters long and hunts a wide range of animals. Surprisingly, the centipede's diet includes not only other invertebrates, but it can also overwhelm and kill larger species such as lizards, snakes, frogs, mice, bats, and sparrow-sized birds. A pair of modified legs known as forcipules are the centipede's primary weapons for killing prey. The centipede utilizes the forcipules to enter the victim's body and inject very poisonous venom into the bloodstream. The deadly creatures can even climb cave ceilings, holding and manipulating their prey like bats, with only a few legs hooked to the roof. Number 9. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are possibly the most harmful creatures for visitors to the Amazon rainforest. Mosquitoes flourish in hot, humid tropical habitats, and the Amazon rainforest supplies these insects with optimal conditions. Mosquitoes may serve as vectors for infections that cause malaria and yellow fever. Tourists visiting the Amazon should take all required steps to minimize mosquito bites, including yellow fever vaccinations, insect repellent creams, and other preventive measures. Number 8. Wandering spiders. The Brazilian wandering spider is the world's most deadly arachnid. Even the spider's scientific name, Phenutria, translates to murderer in Greek. The spiders are known as wandering spiders because they prefer to roam about the jungle floor at night, hunting for prey, rather than creating webs and staying in them. During the day, spiders hide in a variety of locations, including the banana plant. The spiders may even enter human communities, where they may hide in houses and cars. They may bite if they are disturbed by humans. Because of their diminutive size, these spiders are even more difficult to spot. Until 1996, when an antidote was discovered, 14 people were recorded to have died from wandering spider bites. The spider's venom produces excruciating pain and inflammation, as well as loss of muscle control, which can lead to respiratory paralysis and death. Number 7. Jaguar. The jaguar, the third largest big cat species after the tiger and the lion, is a charismatic Amazonian wild animal. The jaguar is an obligate carnivore with excellent hunting abilities. The jaguar's diet is diverse and comprises at least 87 species. Although humans are not part of this diet, a jaguar may easily kill an adult human. In South and Central America, the jaguar can take almost any riparian or terrestrial vertebrate and prefers huge prey. Adult caimans, capybaras, tapirs, zoros, peccaries, deer, and other nocturnal animals are all viable prey for jaguars. The jaguar is a lethal predator that kills its prey by suffocation and a deep throat bite. Biting directly through the temporal bones of the skull and piercing the brain is another tactic peculiar to the jaguar. In the case of caimans, the jaguar climbs onto their backs and severs their cervical vertebrae, immobilizing them. A quick paw swipe is enough to kill smaller prey, such as dogs. One might imagine how weak and powerless a human would be in the face of such a formidable predator. Because the Amazon jungles are rapidly depleting, the likelihood of human jaguar encounters is growing. Number 6. Electric eel. There is a terrifying danger that hides beneath the waters of the Amazon River in Brazil. There is no such thing as a true eel. Rather, the electric eel is a type of knife fish that is able to deliver a severe electric shock to humans who threaten it. Because it has 3 sets of abdominal organs, the fish is able to produce an amount of electricity that is sufficient to stun an adult. Eels will first use their abilities to create electricity to temporarily immobilize their prey before consuming it. Attacks that are lethal to humans are extremely rare, yet they do occur. A single zap can render a person unconscious enough to cause them to stop breathing and eventually drown, even in very shallow water. People would almost certainly stop breathing if they were subjected to multiple electric shocks. In the past, the fish have been capable of producing shocks that are so powerful that they have been able to kill horses and even stun an adult caiman. Number 5. Black caiman. The black caiman is the only surviving member of the family Alligatoridae that is the largest in size. The huge carnivore lives in the lakes, rivers with a slow current, and savannas that flood occasionally that are found in the Amazon basin. It is believed to be the most dangerous predator in the Amazon since it preys on a wide variety of mammals, birds, reptiles, and fish. The terrifying beast is able to consume any animal, including people who wander into its territory without being aware of its presence. Number 4. Bullet ant. One of the most dangerous insects that lives in the Amazon jungle is the bullet ant, which gets its name from the fact that its sting can kill. These little insects have the ability to bite, which results in excruciating agony in the area that has been bitten. According to the Schmidt Sting Pain Index, the sting of a bullet ant is the most agonizing, with a rating of 4+ that is higher than that of a tarantula hawk wasp. This rating puts the sting of a bullet ant in a category all by itself. Some of the victims have described the pain as being quite similar to that of being shot by a bullet. The victim endures intense pain that can linger for up to 24 hours after being bitten by the snake. Number 3. Piranhas. One of the most hazardous aquatic residents of the Amazon River basin is the piranha. Piranhas are freshwater fish that are well known for their strong jaws and razor-sharp teeth. They have one of the most powerful bites of any bony fish, and the black piranha bite is one of the most powerful bites of any vertebrate. Piranha bites may readily rip through all flesh, including human flesh. So piranhas are man-eaters? Piranhas have been observed devouring human flesh on several occasions. A girl's body, partially devoured by piranhas, was discovered in the Mosquitoes River in Brazil in 2015. The youngster, her grandma, and 4 other children were in a boat when it sank during a storm. It is still unknown if the piranhas killed her or fed on her after she drowned. Similar incidents have been recorded in other places. Despite the fact that the fish is said to be extremely harmful, humans have consumed it and manufactured tools and weapons out of piranha teeth and bones. Number 2. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are among the most dangerous animals on the planet. These beautifully colored small frogs from the Amazon may appear beautiful to us, but the skin of some of these species contains poison lethal enough to kill 10 adult humans. Poison dart frogs get their name from the darts or arrows coated with the venom produced by these frogs and employed by indigenous hunters to target animals as well as opponents. The golden poison frog is one of the most dangerous poison dart frog species. Batrachotoxin is the poison generated by these frogs. When the poison reaches the bloodstream, even at minute levels, it can induce paralysis and death. Number 1. Green anaconda. Green anacondas are non-venomous constrictor snakes found in the Brazilian Amazon and other parts of South America. It is one of the Amazon's most feared and revered creatures. Green anacondas live in the Amazon swamps, slow-moving streams, and marshes where they remain practically immersed in the water, waiting to pounce on unsuspecting wildlife that comes to drink the water. The snakes are slow on land, but they are sleek and sneaky in the water. When the snakes catch their prey within their poisonous coil, the prey's death is imminent as the snakes suffocate their prey to death. Despite the lack of evidence, green anacondas have been dubbed man-eaters, with multiple unsubstantiated claims of individuals being eaten by these massive snakes. Scientists agree that an anaconda consuming a human is not implausible because these snakes devour harder and stronger prey than humans. However, because people and anacondas rarely encounter each other, anacondas are not conditioned to perceive humans as prey, and so the likelihood of anacondas eating humans is low. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.